Hello guys, welcome to the fantastic, fabulous and fantabulous session by Vedantu 9th and 10th English. And this is Pritesh, your master teacher, your host, your host from Vedantu, welcoming you to the first ever chapter. Yes, the first ever chapter from your grade 9, that is the fundamental, the basic unit of life, that is cell. Not the battery cell, but the cell in the body. So welcome to the session all of you. I hope you guys are doing absolutely safe and sound, and so are everyone around you. Today we'll be learning all about the wonderful world of cell. Life on this planet Earth started as proteins in water. Yes, you got me right. Life on this planet started as as proteins in water. And from proteins first came the aquatic animals. From the aquatic animals came the reptiles. From the reptiles, the animals or the organisms got divided into terrestrial and the aerial animals. And finally, the terrestrial got evolved into the one into the one whom you are looking at the screen right now and whom you look at the mirror every day, that is human. So the journey started from proteins and it is still going on, but it reached a very big milestone with humans. And whether it was the aquatic organism in water or whether it is human, all of us are made of cells. Do you know that human beings are made of 37.2 trillion cells? Every hour, every minute, every day, many cells are dying in our body, and all at the same time, many new ones are getting created. So let us explore this beautiful, wonderful and dynamic world of cells with me, that is Pritesh. So if you want to know more about me, then you can follow me on my Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu. But before that, these are some amazing Vedans who joined our YouTube session. Rudra from 10th, Agra, Manya from UP and Vidhi also from UP. Then we had Tanisha from Madhya Pradesh, Ram Prasad Sri Shivani from Tamil Nadu. We had Sanjana from Andaman and Nicobar. We had Michelle from Kanyakumari, Amruta from Kerala, Ganvi and Amina from Thalassery, again Kerala, Ragini from Maharashtra, Radhika from Rajasthan, and that's it. And this is Pritesh Joshi. This is Pritesh Joshi from Bangalore, that is Karnataka. So you can follow me on my Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu. That's my Insta handle where you can follow me. And this is me and my cute little bundle of joy whose name is Oreo. So you can follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu, where we can know more about each other, where we can connect with each other. And also if you have any doubts, you can ask me right there and I'll try my best to answer you. Right? Chalo. Now, organisms are made of many cells. As I told you that every organism is made up of thousands and thousands of cells. The structural and functional unit of life is cell. Yes, it is absolutely live, Ranveer. It is absolutely live. Diagrammatic representation of a plant cell. So there is a difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Plant cell, if you see, is a bit squarish in structure. It has a very, very large central vacuole. Whereas animal cell, on the other hand, it is a bit roundish with small vacuoles. Animal cell has a bigger nucleus, whereas plant cell has a smaller nucleus at the periphery. Along with that, this is the diagrammatic representation of the animal cell. Cells can be, or organisms can be unicellular. Unicellular means they are made up of a single cell. They are made of a single cell. All the activities of that organism, whether it is respiration, whether it is nutrition, whether it is excretion, whether it is digestion, all the activities of these organisms are carried out by a single cell, and that is why they are called unicellular organisms like bacteria, amoeba, paramecium, etc. And then you have got multicellular organisms whose different group of cells perform different activities. Like if you talk about humans, so brain is associated with the nervous system. Your nostrils, windpipe and the lungs are associated with the respiratory system. Your mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. It is associated with the digestive system. Your kidneys, ureters, bladder, urethra is associated with the excretory system, right? So there are different cells, different tissues, different organs having different organ systems that make up the multicellular organism. So in the multicellular organism, different group of cells perform different function. So here is human and the octopus and animals and plants. So animals, plants, humans, birds, fish, they belong to the multicellular category. They belong to the multicellular category. Now let us see the timeline on how cell was discovered. This is super important. This is very important. Guaranteed question in the exam based on all this. So it began with Robert Hooke, who was an English scientist. Robert Hooke was an English scientist. He discovered the cells in the year 1665 when he observed the cork cells. He observed the cork under his own simple microscope. Right? Then cork from where? From an oak tree. From an oak tree bark. He observed the cork under his own simple microscope and he saw a honeycomb-like structure. He saw a honeycomb-like structure. Now, these square boxes reminded him of the tiny rooms where monks used to live. Of the tiny rooms where monks used to live in the 16th century. And these tiny rooms were called as cellula in Latin. And that is why the word cell came into existence. Right? So, I will be, there is also going to be a quiz, but before that, please remember that in the year 1665, Robert Hooke, who was an English scientist, he observed the cork cells from an oak tree under his own simple microscope and he saw tiny room-like structures. This reminded him of the rooms in which monks used to live in the monastery that were called cellula. Cellula in Latin means tiny rooms. Cellula in Latin means tiny rooms. And from this, the word cell came into existence. Is this clear? Is this clear? Quickly tell me a yes or no in the chat. Come on, quickly. Is this clear? Is this clear? Please tell me a yes or no in the chat. Come on, quick, very quick. Very good. Thank you so much, Ranbir. Hi, Ilma. Hello. Thank you, Poonam. Thank you, Abadhirsa, Sasta Goku, Sanjeev, Yukti, Vijay, Ilma, Divya. Chalo. So, now we move ahead. So, after Robert Hooke discovered the cell, few years passed and 9 years after Robert Hooke, Leeuwenhoek observed free living cells. So what did Leeuwenhoek observe? He observed living cell for the first time. What Robert Hooke observed? He observed dead cells. What Leeuwenhoek observed? Living cells. In the year 1674, these living cells consisted of bacteria, muscle cells, algae, RBCs, etc. So these were the living cells that Leeuwenhoek observed. Okay? Yes, Ranbir. Then, after almost more than 100 years, Robert Brown observed nucleus in the cell. This is very important. This is super important. Wherever I am writing the word VIP, that is very important. So this is again your VIP. Who discovered nucleus for the first time? Even if you don't remember the name, you have to remember this word, Robert Brown. You have to remember this word, Robert Brown. Okay? Come on guys, give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See guys, I am teaching you. I am taking the effort to make you learn in English, right? All the teachers on Vedantu 19 channel English are taking efforts to help you to learn. What is the least that you can do for them? What is the least that you can do for them? You can like the video to to make them feel good, to show that yes teacher, we are with you, we are appreciating your efforts, we are recognizing your efforts. Subscribe to the channel. Again, it's absolutely free of cost. Share this video with your friends, and I'm asking you only for one thing. I'm asking you only for one thing. One very minimal thing I'm asking you, that is each one get one. I just want all of you. I just want each and every one of you to get one more subscriber to the family. Just one more subscriber to the family. Be it your friend, be it your cousin, be it your sibling, anyone who is in grade 9th and 10th and who wants to learn in English, get only one subscriber. I want each one of you to get only one. So let us make this each one get one a trend. Let us set the trend. You all are trend setters. I want all of you to quickly write in the chat hashtag each one get one. Come on, all of you in the chat. Hashtag each one get one. 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 Come on. No, Avathir sir, it is every day at 8 o'clock. Every day at 8 o'clock. Come on. Hashtag each one get one. Thank you so much, Ilma. Thank you, Ranbir. Thank you, Ranbir. Thank you. Come on, I want all of you. Thank you, Avathir sir. Thank you, Yukti. Come on. Thank you, Samyukta, Kavya, Ilma, Reena, Poonam. Come on, I want all of you to write it. Thank you, Vijay. See, even if you have done it, if you put this hashtag, it will trend. It will trend. Right? Thank you, Kavya. Thank you so much. Sure. Now, after Robert Brown discovered the nucleus in the year 1839, again, this is very important. Robert Evangelista Perkins. So his full name, the full name of this gentleman is Evangelista. It is Evangelista Perkins. Evangelista Perkins. He coined the term protoplasm. He coined the term protoplasm. What is protoplasm? What do you mean by protoplasm? Can anyone tell me in the chat? Yes, I will be teaching 10th standard also. Every day at 8 o'clock, Ranbir. Can anyone tell me what is protoplasm? Hello Ramjot, hi Sandhya. Can anyone tell me what is protoplasm? Can anyone tell me what is protoplasm? That's great, Kavya. That's really very nice of you. Can anyone tell me what is protoplasm? Come on. Come on, quick. Cytoplasm plus nucleus. Nucleus plus cytoplasm. Okay. No problem. Okay. So, protoplasm is, as all of you have told me in the chat, it is cytoplasm plus nucleus. 100% guaranteed question in the exam on protoplasm. 100% guaranteed question in the exam on protoplasm. लिख के ले लो. 100% guaranteed question in the exam is on protoplasm. 100% guaranteed question. At least for 1 mark, either as a fill in the blank, true or false, match the following, answer in one word, answer in one sentence, answer in short. 100% guaranteed question on protoplasm. लिख के ले लो. Right? चलो. After Perkins, it was Sleden and Schwann who gave the cell theory. And then after a few years, it was Virchow who gave the last postulate of the cell theory. So there were total 3 postulates of the cell theory. Cell is the fundamental unit of life. All organisms are made up of cells, and cells arise from pre-existing cells. Okay? So, division of labor in the cell. Each cell specializes in performing one particular function. Like nerve cell helps in the transfer of impulse. Red blood cells carry oxygen. Muscle cells do the contraction and relaxation. Sperm cell helps in fertilization and reproduction. Bone cell gives the structure to the body. Now, I have a question for you. Yes, Nampreet, I will be teaching grade 10 also. Okay? Now, I have a question for you that Antony van Leeuwenhoek in the year 1674 observed living cells. But what did he call them? Now, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, he gave a name. He gave a name to the living cells that he observed. What was the name that he gave to the living cells that he observed? Tell me in the comment section, not in the chat. Not in the chat. Tell me in the comment section. You have to put it in the comment. Those who have given the answer in the chat, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. I want the answer in the comment section below because your name will be taken and it will be put on the screen. Your name will be taken and it will be put on the screen. So please give me the answer in the comment section below. Just put it in the comment. Okay? Now, as we move ahead, if you want to learn from me and all the amazing teachers of Vedantu, you can learn for only rupees 4,000. You can learn for only rupees 4,000 where you are getting interactive classes, scheduled classes, only a very small batch size, live class teacher, interaction in the class, doubts, books, recorded session, assignments, tests, SAM care, micro courses and VIP. The cost is actually 5,000, but when you put the coupon code PRPRO, when you put here PRPRO, then you can learn from us for only rupees 4,000. Only for rupees 4,000. Only for rupees 4,000. Right? So, grab this opportunity with both your hands and you can learn with us for only rupees 4,000 for the entire year. Yes guys, this cost is for the entire year, not for 1 month or 2 months or 5 months or 6 months. For the entire year, you can learn with Vedantu for only rupees 4,000. Now, if you have any doubts or if you want to ask anything, you can just send a message on the WhatsApp number that is coming below. That is 8951183703. It is also coming below. There is a there's a scroll that is going, so you can use that number and send your queries. Apart from that, remember PRPRO, है ना? And now it's time for the week quiz. So those who want to play the week quiz with me live, just go to www.weekquiz.in and put the code 224698. So those who want to play the quiz, just go to www.weekquiz.in and use the code 224698. 224698 is the code for the quiz. Quickly go on www.weekquiz.in and put the code 224698. Come on, I am waiting for you over there. Come on. Hello Teja. Hi Teja Vidhu. Come on. 224698. 224698. Come on. Come on, join. That's great. Let me see. Chalo. Let me see. Very good, amazing. Double 24698. Right? That's great, Aditya. That's really very nice. Come on. Some amazing questions waiting for you. So let me see. Only 7. Where are the others? Come on, guys. Come on. 224698. That is the code for the week quiz. 224698. Teja, just go to www.weekquiz.in and use the code 224698. Come on, quickly. Quick, very quick. Only 9. Where are the others? Come on, quickly. Even the team has pinned it in the chat. It is www.weekquiz.in and use the code 224698. Chalo, right? Let's start, guys. Let's start. So here comes the first question. The first question is, The first free living cell in pond water was discovered by in the year 1674. Schledenschwann, Leeuwenhoek, Virchow or Robert Hooke. The living cell. The living cell. Very simple. Come on. Show me a sample. Very simple. It was Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Anton van Leeuwenhoek. It was Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Right? Chalo, this one was quite easy. This one was quite easy. So we have got on the super board the superstars, and they are Hardik, Megha, Ranbir, Afshin, Tanay, Abatirsa, Ranjani, AK Singh and Sridhar. Right? Chalo, next question. Next question for all of you. Those who are not able to join, they can answer in the chat as well. The cell theory was first given by in the year 1838 and 39. Virchow, Purkinje, Robert Brown or Schleiden and Schwann. Who gave the cell theory? Who gave the cell theory in the year 1838 and 39? Those are very good, Yogan. Very good, Teja. It was Schleiden and Schwann. It was Schleiden and Schwann. Okay? Very good. That's amazing. Virchow gave it later. Virchow gave it later. First is for Schleiden and Schwann. So Ranbir, Megha, Tanay, Afshin, Abatirsa, Ranjani, Hardik, Parthiv, AK Singh and Sridhar. Okay, Sridhar, come on, answer here. Answer quickly. Yes, Imu Sa, absolutely correct you are. And the final question for you guys. Who discovered nucleus? Very important, I told you, VIP guaranteed question. Schleiden, Schwann, Leeuwenhoek, Virchow or Robert Brown. Who discovered nucleus? Who discovered the nucleus? Super easy, come on. Yes, Teja. It is no other than Robert Brown. None other than Robert Brown. And with that, we have the final leaderboard with us, where the winners are Ranbir, Afshin and Tanay. Congratulations. Very good. Amazing, awesome. Come on, that's amazing. Really very good. क्या बात है, रणबीर तो बिल्कुल छा गए. So guys, the quiz has ended now. The quiz has ended and we go back to our slides, right? So, we did this already. And do not forget guys, to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders, it's absolutely free of cost. And do share this video with all your nice standard friends and school WhatsApp groups. Also guys, if you have any doubts, so you can write to me at pritesh.joshi@vedantu.com and you can follow me on Instagram at pritesh_vedantu. I'll be seeing you again tomorrow sharp at 8 o'clock. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. God bless all of you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.